It's my great pleasure to welcome you all to the online national workshop on role of accuracy in assessment and accreditation process. I am greatly honored to stand before you on behalf of the management of PSGUP Mandals, SI Patil Arts, GB Patil Science, and STKVS Commerce College Shahada, and indeed on my own behalf to earnestly express my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to Almighty God who has granted us this great opportunity and allowed us to gather online on Zoom to witness the sincere efforts of exploring how technology could be effectively utilized in teaching, learning, and educational administration. It was only possible due to the positive recommendations of RUSA authorities that we have received the funds of rupees 2 crores under component 9 infrastructure grants to colleges. This online workshop is also one of the activities under the scheme in collaboration with Joint Director Higher Education Jalgaon Region. I can further state that such initiative of RUSA could be very well termed as the NAC at your doorsteps, since instead of approaching NAC for the information pertaining to accreditation, NAC has come forward to impart and educate the higher educational institutions with necessary procedural rules and regulations so that HEIs should be feel encouraged to embark on the process of accreditation. I am overjoyed indeed to welcome our guest of honors, Honorable Professor P.P. Patil, Vice Chancellor, Kavayatri Bahinabai Chaudhary, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon, Honorable Professor P.P. Maulikar, sir, Pro VC of our university, Honorable Professor B.V. Pawar, Registrar, Kavayatri Bahinabai Chaudhary, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon, that we are always benefited with the unprecedented support and cooperation through academic, professional guidance and recommendations from the affiliating university from time to time. I would like to express my sincere appreciation, in particular, to Honorable Pankaj Kumar, State Project Director, RUSA Mumbai, Honorable Vijay Saurabh, Secretary, Director of Higher and Technical Education, Honorable Professor Dhanraj Mane, Director, Higher Education Pune, Senior Consultants Dr. Pramod Pabrekar and Dr. Vijay Joshi, RUSA Mumbai, Dr. Satish Deshpande, Joint Director, Higher Education Jalgaon Region, who have kept faith in us and allotted this online workshop to be conducted. It's my great pleasure to also welcome our resource persons, Professor Mrs. Vani Laturkar, SRTM University, Nanded, Professor C.N. Rawal, Principal, BMCC Pune, because in spite of their busy schedule, they responded us to share their valuable experience and ideas in front of 800 plus participants registered for this workshop. I would also like to welcome all the principals and IQAC coordinators, faculty members from all over India who have registered and gave a vast response for this workshop. As all of you are aware that the world is facing the COVID-19 crisis. In this period of lockdown, Indian government is trying its level best to uplift the spirit of fellow countrymen that have been dampened by the current pandemic situation. Staying at home and complying with lockdown and social distancing guidelines will help yourself, family, and community to stay safe. Today's workshop is primarily involved with the guidelines of assessment and accreditation to institutions with prime agenda to improve the quality of higher educational institutions in India. The orientation of HEIs towards the revised accreditation framework is essential and a crucial part of accreditation. With this prime agenda, this program has been devised to make the non-accredited colleges aware of the revised accreditation format. The target participants are the principals and IQAC coordinators of all non-accredited higher education institutions under KBC NMU Jalgaon and its adjoining universities. However, institutions which are already accredited were also invited to appraise themselves of the revised accreditation format. The workshop is available live on YouTube and Facebook page of the institute, whereas limited participants will be on the Zoom meeting. We will have 3 sessions of interesting and stimulating discussions. I sincerely wish that this workshop will be a great success, not only as a chance to share knowledge and experience in the higher education, but also as the beginning of a long and fruitful cooperation and friendship among fellow educators devoted to the most meaningful and worthwhile task of teaching and training our youths who will shape our future. Lastly, I wish to thank our management authorities, our principal, Professor Dr. R.S. Patil, organizing committee members, who most profoundly supported throughout the commissioning of this event. In closing, I hope that all of you will enjoy this workshop, and I wish our participants will be benefited in the real sense so that we can realize together the potential of technology for education. Lastly, I can say limitations live only in our minds. But if we use our imaginations, our possibilities become limitless. Thank you and Jai Hind.
हाँ कंटिन्यू करा
Madam.
I now request all the attendees to stand for the national anthem.
आवाज करिए.
I now request respected principal of our college, Professor Harris Patel sir, to deliver the welcome speech.
Good morning, one and all. One Honorable Professor P.P. Patil, Vice Chancellor, Professor P.P. Mahulikar, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Professor D.V. Pawar, Registrar of our University, Honorable Dr. P.N. Pabrekar, and Honorable Dr. Vijay Joshi, officers from RUSA, Mumbai, Honorable Professor Satish Deshpande, Joint Director, Higher Education, Jalgaon, Honorable Resource Persons, Dr. Mrs. Vani Laturkar, Principal Dr. C.N. Rawal, dignitaries online, principals, directors, IQVC coordinators, and friends. Greetings of the day. Hope you are doing well in this pandemic caused by COVID-19. I, Dr. Rajendra Patil, Principal of Pujya Sani Guruji Vidyapasarak Mandals, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shahada, welcomes you in this online workshop organized by our college in collaborations with State Project Directorate, RUSA, Maharashtra, and Joint Director, Higher Education, Jalgaon Region. The Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, a centrally sponsored program, aims to work with 300 plus state universities and its affiliated colleges to raise the bar of campus life. It places greater emphasis on the improvement of the quality of teaching and learning processes in order to produce employable and competitive graduates, postgraduates, and PhDs. UGC has made NAAC accreditation obligatory for all higher learning institutes by 2022. This workshop is an attempt to follow UGC, Government of Maharashtra, and RUSA guidelines. More than 2,000 participants have registered for this workshop across the country. Near about 500 participants are live on Zoom meeting, and 200 plus participants from our North Maharashtra region are live on Zoom. Initially, I would like to share good news from our college, Human Resource Development Ministry, New Delhi, and Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, New Delhi, through State Project Directorate, RUSA Maharashtra, and Government of Maharashtra has sanctioned ₹2 crore infrastructure grant to our college under Component 9. And first installment of ₹1 crore has been deposited in our RUSA account recently. I express my sincere thanks to Honorable Sri Pankaj Kumar Ji, Director SPD RUSA, Honorable Sri Vijay Saurabh Ji, Secretary Higher Education, Government of Maharashtra, and Dr. Dhananjay Mane, Director of Higher Education, Government of Maharashtra. Friends, I take this opportunity to introduce our organization and my college in brief. 50 years ago, renowned personality of this soil, freedom fighter, Sahakar Marshi, and foresighted visionary, late Sri Anna Sahib P.K. Patil, initiated a noble cause of education in the form of Pujya Sani Guruji Vidyapasarak Mandal Shahada. PHGP Mandal is having 200-acre educational complex and operating D.N. Patel College of Engineering, G.M. Chaudhary Polytechnic, K.V. Patel College of Agriculture, College of Education, College of Pharmacy, Industrial Training Institute, English Medium School, Kasturba Gandhi Kendriya Vidyalaya, pre-primary, primary and high schools. Puddashani Guruji Vidya Prasarak Mandal, S.I. Patil Arts, G.P. Patil Science, and S.T.K.V.S. Commerce College, Shahada, laid its foundation in 1970. The college has a progressive management team led by Honorable Sri Bapu Sahib Deepak Bhai Patil, President, Puddashani Guruji Vidya Prasarak Mandal, Shahada. Our college is multi-faculty, co-educational, government-aided college affiliated to Kavitri Bahinabai Chaudhary, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. The college has felicitated with the College with Potential for Excellence status by UGC New Delhi. Recently, the college has been awarded Star College status by DBT New Delhi. Our college is assessed and re-accredited by National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAC Bangalore, for its third cycle and awarded A grade in July 2017. Proud we feel to mention our position as an A grade college ranked by our affiliating university consecutively for 5 years. Likewise, I take the pride to excelling in academics, sports, cultural and research activities. Apart from well-furnished classrooms, galleries, the college is known for its spacious, well-equipped laboratories for science students, operable with modern technology and supported by existence of literary-enriched central library. The college is having facilities like huge playground, polyhouse, botanical garden, boys and girls hostels for the safe and comfortable stay of students approaching from remote areas to acquire overall development. One of the striking features of the college is the construction of an indoor stadium, a unique facility of sport in the entire Khandesh region of the country. Our faculty comprises of 30,000 members and experts in their own subject, offering their valuable services with a sense of dedication and devotion. The college, after laying its stepping stone in 1970s, has been recognized by UGC under 2F and 12B of UGC Act in 1975 itself, and has a permanent affiliation with Kavitri Bahinabai Chaudhary, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. With the introduction of graduate courses in basic subjects, we have now reached the present status wherein 16 courses are offered at undergraduate and 13 courses at postgraduate level. Our 11 departments are recognized as research centers by affiliating university. The emphasizing aspect worth mentioning is the facility for acquiring PhD degree in 11 subjects under valuable guidance of more than 200 eminent supervisors, which is rarely observable at college level. The motivation from our academic coordinator, Honorable Sri Makaranda Bhai Patil, has played a key role in propagating quality initiatives in the college. Our college IQAC coordinator, Dr. M.K. Patel, along with IQAC member, has put a lot of efforts in organizing this workshop. I would like to conclude with the words of John Ruskin. Quality is not an accident. It is always the result of intelligent efforts. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thanks a lot, sir. Connected with us is respected Dr. Satish Deshpande, Joint Director of Higher Education of Jalgaon region. Dr. Deshpande has a 19 years teaching and 15 years administrative experience. He's actively involved in research with 52 publications, 25 plus presentations in various conferences, workshops. His research are groundwater Deshpande to oblige us with his opening remarks on government strategy for quality education.
Good morning, one and all. Of RUSA and Government of Maharashtra, I welcome you all. On the occasion of online workshop on role of IQAC in assessment and accreditation process, the dignitaries of RUSA, Project Director, then SPD RUSA, Dr. P.N. Pabrekar sir, Dr. Vijay Joshi sir, and all resource person, the university authorities, Vice Chancellor, Professor P.P. Patil sir, Maulikar sir, Registrar Pawar sir, the management, the President of PSGUP, Honorable Patil sir, Principal R.S. Patil sir and his team. First, I congratulate the Principal and Patil sir and his team for taking efforts to organize this workshop because it is need of our. All we are aware that time to time, State Government of Maharashtra, UGC has issued the GR and now it is mandatory to carry out the NAC process because whatever the maintenance of standard of higher education. For that, the NAC accreditation process plays a very key role. Pabrekar sir, in my Jalgaon region, out of 83 aided colleges, 82 colleges have accredited and one college has not accredited for first time. As concerned to the inactive position, near about the 25 colleges have inactive today. But for unaided colleges, the situation is very worst. So, RUSA authorities and government has decided to motivate, encourage, as well as management, principal, and the NAC coordinator for accreditation. And keeping view in this mind, we have gathered here today on online. I hope today's resource persons, as you are aware that all resource persons are very masters in the NAC process. So I hope all the principals and ICAC coordinator who have joined will highly beneficial from their knowledge. I appeal problems you are facing while carry out the NAC process in your college. I know the difficulties are there, but we have to overcome all the difficulties and coming forward for maintenance of standards of higher education and for the students' development. On behalf of all these respected principals, encouraged principals, and coordinator, I assure you, Pabrekar sir, definitely after this workshop, my region NAC figure definitely it will increase because whatever the knowledge you have shared, you are going to share today, definitely the difficulties is solved. With this, I wish this today's online workshop will be a grand success. Thank you one and all.
Thanks, sir, for your valuable remarks. We have with us a dynamic, highly experienced and energetic personality, Senior Consultant of Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, RUSA, Government of Maharashtra. He is none other than Dr. P. N. Pabrekar. He has 40 years devoted service in educational field to his credit. Words may prove insufficient to quote the loftiness of his dynamic scholar. Associated with activities like Indradhanushya, Krida Mahotsav, Avishkar, Avahan, he has parallelly played active role as member of task force in State Family Welfare Bureau, member of peer team of NAC, license officer in Department of Higher and Technical Education, principal of ICCS, Motilal Junjunwala College, Navi Mumbai, so on and so forth. Without wasting much time in introductory formalities, let us quickly listen to Dr. Pabrekar with his concept note supporting the assessment and accreditation process.
Thank you very much for the introduction, madam. Good morning, everybody. Honorable Vice Chancellor of Kaviyatri Bhainabai Chaudhary, Professor P.P. Patil, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Mahulikar, Honorable Registrar Dr. Pawarji, Honorable Joint Director and our good friend Dr. Satish Deshpande, the Principal of this college, Principal Dr. R.S. Patil, the IQAC Coordinator of this college, Dr. Patel, and his entire team, and of course, the invited resource persons, Professor Vani Laturkar, Professor C.N. Raval, and my senior colleague, Chief Consultant of RUSA, Dr. Vijay Joshi. I am aware that we have already passed a lot of time and we have to give much more time to the resource persons. So I'll be, taking only 1 or 2 minutes for the information of you all. RUSA, under the direction of Honorable Secretary, Sri Saurabh Vijayji and Pankaj Kumar, the Director of our RUSA Maharashtra, and with the support of the Joint Director Offices, the 10 Joint Director Offices in the state of Maharashtra, we have started conducting these RUSA organized NAC workshops in every district and every region of Joint Director. I am indeed very happy and to place on record the maximum participation in this area where 3 districts, Nandurbar, Dhule and Jalgaon, where about 800 plus participants have joined this workshop. The credit goes to naturally the principal and his team as an organizer. And I'm aware that Honorable Vice Chancellor, Pro Vice Chancellor, Registrar, the authorities of this university have been always supportive for the cause of quality improvement and quality enhancement in the parts of their own region of university. Let me tell you that we also expect a warm support from our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Registrar, and with the support of the principal in the Nandurbar district, RUSA has initiated one of the model degree college in Nandurbar, and which is going to start in this academic year. And Dr. Satish Deshpande has been taking a vital role in the setting up of this model degree college. Without wasting much of time, because we will be having a question answer session at the end, because we would like to, we all want all participants should, take benefit of the learned resource persons which have been invited. Over to Madam.
Thanks a lot, sir. I now humbly request Honorable Vice Chancellor Kavitri Bainabai Chaudhary, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon, Professor P.P. Patil, to inaugurate the workshop.
Good morning to all of you. Distinguished experts, Dr. Vani, Dr. Rawar, Dr. Vijay Joshi, Dr. Pabrekar, for this workshop sponsored by RUSA, Mumbai, principal of the college, coordinator of the workshop, and online audience from various universities, various colleges. It is really an enchanting moment for me to address this workshop on NAC by the college during this corona pandemic crisis. I first thank the principal and the coordinator of the workshop for organizing this event in the lockdown phase 4. Now let me recall you that we often talk about quality education. Today, quality education has become a paramount necessity for parents, students, teachers, employers, government, an indispensable parameter on account of global competition. For persuasion of quality education, the NAC has proposed Internal Quality Assurance Cell, commonly abbreviated as IQAC, in every academic institution as a post-accreditation sustenance system for catalytic improvement in the academic performance of the institution. And thus, IQAC set the procedures and modalities to collect the data and probe analysis under different parameters. And this online workshop on the role of IQAC in accreditation assessment process is very useful to the various colleges, universities for their NAC accreditation. I declare that this workshop is inaugurated, and I wish a grand success for this workshop. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Honorable Sir. May I now request Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor P.P. Mahulikar Sir, to add a few words.
Namaskar. Good morning, all of you. I am very happy that
Morning.
Pujya Sane Guruji Vidya Prasad Mandal's Arts, Commerce, Science College, Shahada, has organized this one-day online national workshop on role of IQAC in assessment and accreditation process in collaboration with Rashtriya Uchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, Government of Maharashtra, and Joint Director Office, Jalgaon. Actually, it's a good time to create awareness about NAC accreditation, as the new rules has been introduced by NAC in last year, and it was believed that now new rules are very difficult and it is very difficult to face the NAC. But in our region, under the jurisdiction of our KBC North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon, our experience is that those colleges who faced this NAC accreditation, they have achieved very good grade because of very nice preparation according to the new rules and honest efforts by the team of that college. Actually, this is the program that is to create awareness about NAC and the role of IQAC in the assessment and accreditation process. The college has taken initiation to organize this NAC related mentoring program for colleges. So on behalf of our university and Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor P. Patil sir, I congratulate the team of college for initiating this, uh, uh, organizing this one-day online national workshop, which is the requirement according to the time. We are, we all are aware that we are facing one COVID-19 problem since last 4 months worldwide. And on another side, because of same problem, we are organizing this online workshops, webinars, and definitely the organized all programs were found to be very beneficial for the participants. And if you talk about our university, Kavitri Bahinabai Chaudhary North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon, under the jurisdiction of 3 districts, Jalgaon, Dhule, Nandurbar, we have total 219 affiliated colleges. Out of 219, 84 colleges are granted and 135 colleges are unaided colleges. Out of 84, 83 colleges have been accredited for various cycles, first to fourth cycle. And number of autonomous colleges is 4 now in our jurisdiction. And you are all are aware again for one thing that in India, Maharashtra is ahead by considering the total number of colleges accredited for first to fourth cycle. Again, Maharashtra is ahead in number of autonomous colleges, total autonomous colleges in comparison with other states. This is a very good part of our Maharashtra, as we have taken seriously the quality education in quality higher education in our state, and that credit goes to the all universities and their affiliated colleges and the teamwork. In our university, as Joint Director Dr. Satish Deshpande mentioned, now we have to encourage more and more for unaided colleges, non-granted colleges. And in our university, under the leadership of our Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor P.P. Patil sir, we encouraged all non-granted colleges by inviting president, chairman, secretary, and principals of this concerned college in the Vice Chancellor's office, and Honorable Vice Chancellors himself discussed with all these chairman, secretaries, and principals of non-affiliated colleges, and he encouraged to go for NAC. And the result is in last 1.5 years, 19 unaided colleges have been accredited for the first time in our jurisdiction, and highest grade achieved from is a B plus to C in unaided colleges. But it is a good thing that at least unaided colleges have been motivated for NAC accreditation. So this is the role of this one-day online national workshop, that we have to encourage not only aided colleges, but basically we should encourage more and more for unaided colleges, that they should also go for NAC accreditation with proper preparation according to the new guidelines of the NAC. So the college has grabbed a good opportunity to create awareness about NAC and IQAC role in assessment and accreditation process by organizing one-day online national workshop. So on behalf of university and our Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor P.P. Patil sir, I congratulate the team of the college, Chairman Bapu Sahib Deepak Patil, Secretary respected Kamaltai Patil, Principal Professor R.S. Patil, Coordinator Professor M.N. Patil, Dr. M.K. Patel. Equally, I congratulate the State Director of RUSA, Dr. Pankaj Kumar, Dr. Pramod Pabrekar, Dr. Vijay Joshi, And I also congratulate Dr. Satish Deshpande, Joint Director of Jalgaon's office, and all. I equally congratulate all participants who have participated in this grand one-day online national workshop. Definitely, the uh, eminent personalities who have been invited as a resource person, they will deliver their talk, and all participants will receive the proper knowledge for the including new guidelines for NAC accreditation, and knowledge about the role of IQAC in this NAC accreditation. So with this brief, again I thank all the team of college, RUSA team and joint director for organizing this one-day online national workshop, which is the basically actually it is a need of it. Frequently we should go for such workshop by for IQAC and NAC accreditation to encourage more and more college for NAC accreditation. So with this brief, I wish all the grand success for this national one-day online workshop, and I wish all the best for all participants. Thank you very much.